Hey guys, it is me, your girl Basic Chick, and also known as Kira. How are you? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please stick around. As I've said before, the content, the topics, the videos, it can only get better. And with that being said, and if you frequent my channel often, if you've been here before, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Tell your friends to tell they friends to tell they friends. Hit that subscribe button and that bell so you'll get the notification as to when I'm going to be posting another video. Today is just going to be kind of like, I don't know, just like a little video for me to show you some items that I received strictly for testing purposes only, and to also show you something that I recently purchased. And yeah, then we're just gonna go from there. I haven't been feeling well. I ate something that wasn't great, so I did do my skincare routine this morning. I did get up and do that, and then I also just been kind of, muddling around the house and trying to make myself feel better, knowing good and well that I don't. So let's dive right into. Okay, so first up, I want to discuss this box that I got from a company called Influencer. I don't know if you guys have heard about them before. They popped up on my Instagram feed quite frequently, and so I clicked on their link and made a profile. Long story short, I go in there every day, at least twice a day, 3 times a day, at max, and I basically just review products that I've already tried out, so that it's like a big platform for people to come on and really speak about about products that they've tried. So even if you're not a YouTuber, not like wouldn't call yourself a beauty guru, but you're looking for a platform that's based around those items, influencer.com is a great place to start. This video is not sponsored by them. I'm just explaining what it is that I'm about to show you. Also, that I received this box strictly for testing purposes only. It was complimentary because some of the things or some of the brands that are in this box I've already tried out. This is just some things that I haven't tried out. So they're, of course, they're travel size and they're just ready for me to try. So it's a cute little lime green packaging that the items came in. It fit right in the mailbox. My packaging label underneath. And I was like, oh, okay, this is neat. So because I am doing like makeup and skincare and talking about those things on my channel, on my Instagram platform, most of the items that are in this box are geared toward that. Getting into one of the first items, you'll notice that I have these nails. I did not get my nails done. No, I didn't. But one of the items that was in my box was the Kiss press-on nails. So that's what these are. I put them on this morning for the purpose of the video, and then also because I really think that I like them. The last time I wore press-on nails, I was a child. I was a little girl playing with probably something that I received for like a Christmas gift or for a birthday gift or something like that. But these are by the brand Kiss. My hands are ashy. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. But these are by the brand Kiss, and they are really nice. It was easy to get on. Inside the packaging were step-by-step instructions. Also, it had this little emery board here and this little cuticle pusher, which I did use because my cuticles are quite thick. So I really like these. They give you, I think there's 30 nails, including 6 accent nails. So, if one of these bad boys fall off, I can just go back in and retouch. So I'm liking them. It doesn't feel weird, like how when you first get your nails done, like because of all the filing and everything. And I've so far so good. Been able to open up packages and open up things, and I like it. Good job. I think maybe I'm gonna purchase some press-on nails, specifically this brand, so that I can continue to try them out, let you guys know what I think, and yeah, maybe press-on nails will be back in style. And I failed to mention that the suggested retail price of the Kiss nails is $7.99. So you can, yep, purchase them. I'm not exactly sure where to purchase them, and I zoned out for a minute, I'm sorry, but at the retail price of $7.99. Next up, I got these three little travel body wash by Mrs. Meyers. One is in the scent basil, the other one is in the scent rainwater, and this is honeysuckle. So honestly, I'm probably gonna try the honeysuckle first because I have some sort of like honey scented body mist spray that is really really good. So I think I'm gonna try this one first. So I'm excited, and then I'm gonna try not to like crumble up the packaging just so that I can come back and tell you guys how it worked, or whether or not I went out and bought the full size bottle of these products again, because these were complimentary to me. So yeah, I want to be able to come back and give you guys like a first impression sort of thing. These are also retailed at $7.99. So I have to go online and see if that's for the full size, if they go up in size, and how all of that works. Then next up, I'm very much into facial cleansers these days, and I've been trying out a bunch of different ones to see, what would minimize my pores, what would, keep my T-zone from being so oily, and so for like the facial cleanser that I got in this box that was again also complimentary, it is the Same Moi. I guess that means it's me. It is a gentle foaming cleansing gel made for young, delicate skin. I'm not young, but I'm delicate, I guess. It says there's no fragrance, parabens, phthalates, sulfates, mineral oil, propylene glycol, or dyes. It says use daily to cleanse the face, both morning and evening before moisturizer. Use circular motions. Gently massage a small amount of cleansing gel into damp skin. Rinse off with warm water and a damp washcloth. Follow with moisturizer and sunscreen. Avoid contact with eyes. If contact occurs, rinse thoroughly with cool water. So it says it's gentle, but it says that it's made for young, delicate skin. So I'm still gonna give it a try. This, I guess, in the full size will retail for $12. So if it's something that I like, maybe, I don't know, my skin is young and delicate. I don't know. I'm gonna try it out, see how I like it. Probably will, give it a couple days and then come back around the same time that I've reviewed everything else. So next up, this next brand, I already use like a bunch of their hair care products, and that I really like on both my hair as well as Mason's. So I was really excited to get this Shea Moisture hydrating body lotion, and it says it's for dry skin. So because my hair's dry, guess what? We're gonna try some of this now. I've never used, it smells good. I've never used any of Shea Moisture's skin products before, so this will be a good little tester. I'm not gonna use too much. I'm just gonna rub that in. Ooh. It's not thin, and it smells very like it smells like coconut and shea butter and almonds or something. It smells so good. It smells good. It smells like one of their hair washes that I can't quite put my name on it, but I used it for Mason when he was a baby, because you could do it from like head to toe. So yay. It smells really good, and it's not overpowering I like it. See, my hands are not dry anymore. They're not sticky. They're nice and soft. Ooh, I like it. So I guess a bottle this size, I wouldn't imagine a taller size, and I could be wrong. I have to look it up. But I'm guessing a bottle this size would retail at $3.99. So I'll look it up and I'll see what the full size is, and if it's more or less, doesn't change my opinion of it. I would go out and get it. It's very lightweight. It doesn't seem like, you know, you'll sweat because it is hot outside, especially here in Maryland. Oh my goodness, temperatures have been like in the upper 90s, and it's been insane. So yeah, I like it. And this is well, maybe not something that I'll use at work because of the simple fact that I'm around patients. It's hot outside. I don't want to trigger anyone's asthma. So it probably wouldn't be something that I'll carry around in my purse for work. But if I'm going somewhere, then, you know, I wash my hands and I'm already wearing a certain scent, then it's something that I'll keep in my purse for that purposes. So let's see. Last but not least, I got this tinned skin solution. It is for ingrown hairs, razor bump shaving and waxing. So this is what it looks like. It looks like a roll-on almost. Let's see if I can get this open and without messing up my new nails. Let's see. Tweezers are always good for stuff like this. I don't know why. It's like a beauty hack or something. I don't know. Oh. Okay, so it's definitely not a roll-on. Sorry, tiny human break. Okay, so it is a roll-on. So I have to put it together. That's weird, you know, but, oh, okay, it's strong. It smells like it has witch hazel in it. But I guess for shipping purposes. So now it's a roll-on, just like how I suspected. So I'm gonna put the top on. Oh, that also screws down. Okay, so I put it together. This is how it looks. It says reduces appearance of unsightly razor bumps, ingrown hairs, and redness from shaving, waxing, and electrolysis. For men's faces, necks, and women's legs, underarms, and bikini lines. Directions: apply to dry skin only, testing small area 1 hour for sensitivity. Dampen cotton ball with tin skin solution and apply to area. Use morning and night until area is clear, then daily after hair removal. So you don't apply the roller ball directly to the skin. They recommend using a cotton swab. You know, you don't accidentally roll it somewhere it's not supposed to go. So we don't want that to happen. So those are all of the products that I received. It was called the Summer VoxBox Kickoff, or Summerkickoffvoxbox. I'm sorry. Oh, and then also this retails for $16. So I will try this out and let you guys know if I think that it's worth $16. We will see. But yeah, so I'm gonna review those things. I'm gonna go on the website like I always do, type in my review, and see what happens next. But yeah, it's influencer, and again, these things were sent to me complimentary for me to try out, and that is what I'm gonna do. And I'll also keep you guys updated on how the products work for me. I really like these nails. I do. Last but not least, a friend of mine recommended some makeup brushes that they had tried from Amazon.com. I don't know if I'm saying this correctly. It is either Feiyan makeup brushes. They retailed for $14.99. I believe that's what I paid for them. And look, they came in this cute little bag that I'll be using for a makeup bag. The inside is pink. The brushes did come wrapped in a different cellophane, and then they came pre-wrapped in their own cellophane as well. I opened a few of them, and I'm going to tell you why. I opened a few of them because if you're like me, you read reviews, and I don't care who recommends what, who says, girl, you should try XYZ. I always go out and read the reviews. It's not that I don't think that, you know, your recommendations won't work, but what works for you may not work for me. And I believe in reading reviews, especially if you're investing your own money. So that is what I did. The only reviews that kept coming up were that people were complaining of a smell. They weren't sure whether or not it was the brushes that carried a smell, almost like a, not pesticide, well, I guess pesticide, like raid type of smell, like in that area. So they weren't sure if it was the cellophane or the brushes. I can honestly say that when I opened my kit, it didn't have a smell, and they were wrapped in its own cellophane. And like I said, I opened some of them. I opened this one, and I smelled the brush handle. I smelled the bristles. Nothing strong or anything stood out to me. And I'm not just saying that this brand has no idea that I'm even reviewing this. It's not that type of video. I'm just saying, like, there was no smell. But that was me. So I'll be more than happy to go on Amazon.com, where I purchased these brushes from with my own hard-earned money, and review them and say, hey, you know, I got a batch that didn't have a smell. So, you know, keep ordering them. And for $14.99, I gotta say already, the few that I did open, they weren't bad. So like I said, they came, you know, wrapped, and I have all types of brushes. I have angle liner brushes. I have a stippling brush. I have crease brushes. I have the packer brushes. I have an all over face brush. I have this bigger size angle brush, and then I have a smaller size angle brush. So this is like a full brush set for only $14.99 from Amazon.com. The bristles are super small, and they are right on point to where I need to be. So I feel like this brush I'm gonna get good use out of especially when it comes time to do my brows, because I've been getting better at them. I've been getting better at these brows, hunty, and I've been getting a lot of compliments. So I don't know. Maybe I get to the point where I'm going to do like a brow tutorial. Who knows? Who knows? I don't want to get ahead of myself. But yeah, I like them. I like the brushes. This was like an angle. I would probably say like a angled contour brush. The brush is very soft. You can use the brushes for either powder or liquid foundation. Let's open up some more of them. Ooh, this is pretty. This is pretty. This is nice and firm. So this will be good for your foundation. And they're still soft, but it's firm, like right where you need it to be. So this is cute. This is looks like a big kabuki brush, and this looks like an all over like face brush. So far there's no bristles falling out, but we will see how it is when I, you know, put them in the product itself. And this is like an angled blending brush. See the angle. Angle's very precise. There's no frayed. It's perfect. So I mean, just off of how they feel alone, and just off of the basis of that, you know, I'm not pulling out there's no bristles falling out, I would recommend getting these brushes. I'm going to end this video, you guys, and say that I don't know what the rest of the day will bring. I'm going to climb back in bed, try to get some more of my energy up. Hopefully I'll feel better. I don't know. I wanted to try to create a look. A few days ago, I was trying to create a look, and with some eyeshadows that I purchased that I showed in a previous video, and it just wasn't working out. The colors weren't building up like I wanted them to, and it ended up with me just saying, forget about it. But I'm gonna see, you know, see what today brings. So I'm gonna say thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the bell so that you'll know when I'm posting another video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for letting this chick be basic, and I will see you in my next video.